Welcome to another video from Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. Come on in and take a seat. We've got some things we're going to be doing. I appreciate you so much. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back, and thank you so much. You know, I love being here. I love all y'all, and I'm going to get started. Today, I'm doing a video of some of the things I might have went over fast. I just feel the need. They're so pretty to show you and give you some crafting ideas. That's what I do, Miss T Ideas. This right here, I use a mouse for my computer. It's some plastic paper, y'all. I also use it for my hot glue gun because it's plastic. And every time I go to the store, I forget a mouse. I forget a mouse. I'm going to forget a mouse? But I'm going to get a mouse. And you know what? I'll probably get one with my name on it. I'm just dreaming now, okay? My dreams. All right. I'm going to put this to the side for right now. And I had gotten a Happy Mail, and this is not a Happy Mail video, because I got one out there with a lot of this stuff on here. But I just went through it, go through for Happy Mail. We got to go through it fast, because, sometimes it's a lot, and, that's what we do. Anyway, to stay on track, I got some beautiful things that I didn't stop and take the time and show you guys. So I want to do it now because it's fantastic. Let me put this mouse up. Okay. This here is some flowers, like petals, roses. And it's on a net. This was made. Isn't it pretty? It was made with some ribbon. And I find it to be so pretty. I just want to share it with you guys. Now, I'm going to make these things, but this here is what I was sent. Look at the back. Some people may be into weddings and whatever you use for stuff for. We junk journal over here. Whatever you use stuff for, it's you. You might make something for your kids at school. But I'm just saying the crafting sector is a good place to be because Miss Jacqueline Haley sent me this stuff. Hands of the Queen. She's got a YouTube channel. Y'all go over there and she's a beautiful stuff. It don't stop. The stuff that she make is so beautiful. It don't stop. And I'm in a group called Stay Crafting Creating Circle, and those ladies are so talented. All of them. All of them. And I thank God I've met them. And it's also faith-based. And I appreciate that. I'm glad about that. God is good. Now, Jacqueline Taylor has her own channel. And her channel is, let's see. I got it wrote down. Y'all know me, huh? Her channel is Jacqueline Haley, Hands of the Queen. And I mean, she's doing some queen things too. Very elegant. Very elegant. Okay, let me stop. There, show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, she made this. And this is a card that's decorated in lace. This is 3 different kind of lace. And this is a faith-based card. Let me get my glasses. Yeah, I could have 5 pair of glasses, and I could lose 5 pair of glasses. Okay. And don't let me text without some glasses on. If y'all ever see a crazy botched up text coming from me, and the letters and the periods and everything is distorted, that's me texting without my glasses because I couldn't find them. Okay. This is a card made with lace on it. Ain't that cute? This here is what Jacqueline made. This is a pretty card. It hangs. She put a tag. I mean, so detailed. And she catered to my colors. This is my colors. She found out from another crafting friend of mine, and my colors. This is my colors. Ain't it pretty? And the tags say to and from. You know, I love this stuff so much till I just couldn't not share it with you guys. And it's glued to the card. You know, some things we sew and some things we glue. This is glued to the card, so y'all can do this. This is lace, and this looks like it was a piece of knitting or even a dolly. This is gorgeous, Miss Jacqueline. Go to her channel, y'all won't be disappointed. It will not disappoint. Look at this. This is a tag. This is a lace headpiece. I couldn't let this stuff go unnoticed. I couldn't. Because this is okay. This is what is it? A cameo? That's what it's called? A cameo? This is lace, different kind of lace, and this is so pretty. And we paper craft. This is card. This is card stock. Look at the lady, how pretty she is. This is absolutely adorable. I'm going to leave her name, Jacqueline's name, and her channel in my description. You know where this come from. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely. Now this is a little mini journal. This is a lace right here. Lace right here. I think it's that a series silk. I don't know too much about it, but I know a lot of people use it, and I have some from that Happy Mail she sent me. This is Jacqueline Taylor again. She need to brand her stuff with her name, made by. And this is so pretty. Look at the little girl. And this is just a net on top. If you got net around and y'all don't know what to do with it, look at there. This is where we get the ideas from. Each other. We learn from each other. I'm talking about in life in general. It says right here, graceful. And this looks like the number 7. If it is a 7, you know 7 is God's number. 7 is the number of completion. God made the world in 7 days. And he rested. Okay, I'm going to untie it because this is a little journal. It's a little pocket. There's a little pocket, a little belly band. Let me see it open. Yeah, it's a little belly band with a paper dollar in it. Some writing pages. Some vintage pages, coffee dyed pages. Some shorthand. Is that shorthand? I can't tell too good because I can't find one of my many pair of reading glasses. I see it. It say phrase letters. Well, I had a sister that is much older than me, and when I was a kid, she was in clerical, and back then they did shorthand. That's what it looked like to me. That's some more. This is some wax paper or something. Decoupaged to a little paper dolly. This is faux paper. Okay, let me get on with it. Music paper. Sheet music. Just a little journal. Just a simple little journal. Simple little idea of a journal that is so beautiful. Look at the back page. Now I'm seeing the back page with you for the first time to stop and see it. You know, I passed through it. Look at that. Look how detailed. It's a bookmark with some little papers to write on. See, we're all about journaling. So we're going to have some tuck spots, pockets, and papers in journaling, in journal making. Okay. Well, the outside was made with cardstock. This is lovely. Made by Jacqueline Haley. Hands of the Queen. Channel. If you're interested in learning how to make these things, her channel is full of this stuff, okay? Everything is lovely. Everything is lovely. Okay, now I'm going to put this here. Now, this here, I got an understanding of this. Now, when I got the mail, this was in it, and this was actually made by someone else. I got it right here. This was made by Crafting by Donna Dreams ×3 on YouTube. Now, if you don't know what this is, because I had to look at it, this is a Bible. This is a little Bible. This is an idea, y'all. This is a little Bible, an idea that you can do. You see the little cross? And it's got a little decoration. This is a paper clip with a little Jesus heart and dangle on it. Beautiful roses and petals and silk flowers, little baby breath buds, I guess. Lace. This is adorable. Look at the spine. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. Eyelet lace on the back. So, a plain little Bible made so beautiful. You know, we could upcycle just about anything. Anything. And I think upcycling is good. I think recycling is good for the environment. And just to repurpose something. You know, stuff still have life in it. Like this is a new one. But stuff have life in it that sometimes is being thrown away. I love upcycling. Look, this is a Bible. Isn't that cute? This is cute to have in your house. This have on a shelf, or even giving away in gifts. And look, some little paper on the back. I think she put some extra papers in here. And right here is, even on the bookmark, have some lace, something pretty. So, I hope you see it well. This is beautiful. And again, it's by, it came through Jacqueline Haley. But this right here, this is the only thing. This right here was made by Donna Dreams ×3 on YouTube. So once you get interested in it and whatever else she may be doing, hey, stop by her channel. This is Miss T Ideas. I'm not going to drag this on no further, but I just felt I'm in the middle of making me a winter journal, okay, on a winter journal challenge, and so I got to get back to it. It's my first winter challenge. It's my first challenge, and y'all look like I'm finding everything else to do because that challenge got me, but it's coming along. Miss T Ideas, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm. The best is yet to come. I love you guys. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Oh, it's always an O with me. Look, hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Where? Look. This pen was made. Anything goes, baby. This is a pen by Miss Jacqueline, and this is a this here is a look like. Open it. I better not play too much. Just some press on nails I got on. But I got the glue on deck. When they'll pop off, I got it. And these nails, again, if you think they're cute, you're interested in them, I'm not sponsoring them, but this is by Artbox. Woo. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Look. And I can hang it on something. And I said it's a but you could also stick it in bottles. Like you got a glue bottle that's open, like, and you lose the top. You can stick it in there. I'm not going no further because I'm not sticking it in here. And this is a writing pen. Now, I can close this video. This is Miss T Idea. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got something from it. And I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye-bye, y'all. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time on the next video, and it won't be long. I think I'm dropping another video today about my journal, my winter journal. Bye-bye.